The Amber Room was a chamber decorated in amber panels backed with gold leaf and mirrors, located in the Catherine Palace of Tsarskoye Selo near St. Petersburg. Constructed in the 18th century in Prussia, the room was dismantled and eventually disappeared during World War II. Before its loss, it was considered an eighth wonder of the world. A reconstruction was installed in the Catherine Palace between 1979 and 2003. The Amber Room was intended in 1701 for the Charlottenburg Palace in Berlin, Prussia, but was eventually installed at the Berlin City Palace. It was designed by German Baroque sculptor Andreas Schluter and Danish amber craftsman Gottfried Wolfram. Schluter and Wolfram worked on the room until 1707, when work was continued by amber masters Gottfried Thurau and Ernst Schacht from Danzig. It remained in Berlin until 1716, when it was given by the Prussian King Frederick William I to his ally Tsar Peter the Great of the Russian Empire. In Russia, the room was installed in the Catherine Palace. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.